first, and then Alicia, you can answer after. So, first question is, everyday fresh or full glam?
Everyday fresh.
Confident.
Siyempre.
Kaya. How about you?
Everyday fresh.
Everyday fresh. Okay. Second, soft glow or soft matte?
Soft glow.
Okay.
Soft glow.
Soft glow. Guys,
Confidence.
hindi, tsaka inanin nyo naman, pin-repair nyo, same lahat ng answer.
Kaya nga kami ano eh.
Okay. Third, clean base or statement lip? Oh, mahirap yon.
Hirap dun. Okay, statement lang.
Statement
Yeah.
lip.
Because it can get boring sometimes. Sometimes
Ang
you need
gaya kasi ang ganda na ng base mo. Gaya.
Uy, cute ano to love bug yan. Love bug with amore on top.
Okay, I love Amor.
Yeah.
Alicia.
The base.
Clean base. Okay. Fourth, lip stain or lipstick?
I mix.
Mix?
Okay, for now it's lip stain, but I
Okay.
usually mix.
Okay. So, check out yun din both. Hindi pwedeng isa lang.
Oh, uy.
How about you, Alicia?
For me, lipstick. I love a good classic lipstick.
Are you more of a nude girl